Introducing DreamGlass Air, the world's first portable AR private theater. Have you thought your phone screen is too small? DreamGlass Air works with any phone to play any content on a 100-inch QHD screen privately. With a unique foldable design, it's compact enough to take on the go. Wherever you are, a stunning fantasy dream world is always within reach. Put on DreamGlass Air. You can watch a movie, catch the game, or switch seamlessly to a phone app. While you're traveling outside, it can turn any seat into first class and make time fly. Back to the office, it can boost your productivity and bring your ideas to life. With DreamGlass Air, you can entertain yourself in complete privacy, totally hands-free. The user-friendly design of it will keep you feeling comfortable even during long viewing sessions. In your spare time, you can also watch your favorite TV shows and enjoy the breeze it brings to you without holding the phone. Multitasking in a futuristic way, you can even cook with the help of augmented reality. And DIY jobs will be easier with hands-free visual help. Gamers, get ready to play your favorite games in a completely new way and have a glimpse of the future by wearing the DreamGlass Air. See the world without boundaries and join us in an innovative new world where dreams come true. Back our campaign today and start your journey into the dream world.